The act of exploration is an act of storytelling, a kind of internal tale we tell ourselves to make sense of the world around us, to categorize, filter, and hone in. We create protagonists and antagonists, inciting incidents and turning points, and we weave a narrative out of randomness and chaos. In some ways, it's an inauthentic way of perceiving the world, and on the other hand, it can be beautiful. The stories we tell can reveal truths, or they can deceive. When I first learned about Deception Island in Antarctica, I expected a story. I zoomed into it on Google Earth, looking for some visual sign of conflict. I saw the clouds as malevolent, obscuring the truth that I'd otherwise be quick to find. But the closer I got, the more this delusion dissipated, giving way to curiosity and the spirit of adventure, or whatever we want to call that in the digital world. The shape of this caldera in the Bransfield Strait is complex and captivating, a large natural harbor, complete with its own bays, coves, and lakes. The colors and shapes it makes when viewed through satellite imagery are more like art than anything else. I follow the lines of the snow-covered Mount Pond, the tallest point which reaches over 500 meters, and I immerse myself in the bird's-eye view of its hydrovolcanic features, just taking it in. And then the storytelling impulse creeps back in. Craving some foreshadowing, perhaps, I begin to wonder when I will encounter signs of human activity and settlement. That first structure that will rip me out of the trance I've been lulled into. And at this point, I start to think of the satellite imagery itself as deceptive, its low resolution making it difficult to discern natural features from human-made ones. I continue on, past bodies of water and a meandering coastline, until, in the Fumarole Bay, I do land upon some clear signs of human occupation. Deception itself, not in the duplicitous sense. This is a research station named Deception. Founded by Argentina in 1948 and now occupied only in the summer. Further along the coastline, not far from the Argentine base, another station catches my eye. This one with its rounded edges and pop-out colors. Gabriel de Castilla base was built by Spain in 1989. Something about the futuristic look of this place, at least from above and in comparison to the landscape around it, compelled me to find out more about it. In one of those moments that we all have that are examples of the marvel that is the internet, I found myself digitally flipping through the thorough Antarctic Station Catalog put together by the Council of Managers of National Antarctic Programs and published in 2017. It says that Gabriel de Castilla has, quote, very good living and working conditions, with living room with kitchen and bakery. There are also 7 sleeping rooms with 4 beds each and 1 laundry room. A scientist semi-permanent building with 2 offices, 2 labs, 1 environment issues lab equipped, and a bathroom. Other facilities include a ribbon boat store container, nautical equipment store container, 2 materials of facilities container, wet lab container, health container, infirmary container, workshop building, 3 building igloos, logistics stores, freezer container, incinerator, and communications area, end quote. As I continue on in this way, spending my time pondering the world's islands, it's my hope that I'm doing the kind of storytelling that sparks curiosity more than anything else, that I'm raising more questions than I'm answering, both in myself and others, and that deception exists only as the name of this C-shaped realm in the South Shetland Islands.